video tutorial we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's quickly move to Visual Studio Code. We can see here in the beginning of every line there are space characters which are gradually decreasing line by line from 4 to 0, and those space characters are appended with number characters. Number characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5 lines we want to print, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will become 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 iterations, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition is false and while loop will stop the iteration. Let's print the output. Print. We need space character. In the first line there are 4 space characters, then 3, 2, 1 and 0. We can subtract 4 with I, 4 minus I. So it will give 4 character. In the first line 4 minus 0 I value means 4 space character. Then 4 minus 1 3 space character, 4 minus 2 space character, 4 minus 3 1 space character and 4 minus 4 0 space character. Space character appended with number character. We are going to use I plus 1. So in the first iteration I value is 0 plus 1, it is going to print 1 and it is appended with a single space character. Now we want to increase the numbers line by line, so we can multiply I plus 1, which will increase the numbers 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. Here we need to remember one thing. This is our string character. Space is a string type and we want to append string with number character. So we need to concat the number with space, we need to concat, otherwise it will give type error. So let's open our terminal and run this file py triangle.py. So this is our expected output. In the next video tutorial we will see another type of number triangle pattern.